Group of diseases that result in too much sugar in the blood.
So I've asked few of the diabetic patients about the questions such as since when they have the diabetes and what kind of treatment they follow. Also, I've asked them about their diet and any changes related to the season change if they follow. So let's see what they have to say.
नाव बाळकृष्ण दत्तात्रय पाध्ये, वय 82 पूर्ण. मी शुद्ध शाकाहारी आहे गेली 4-5 वर्ष आणि साधारण 13-14 वर्ष डायबिटीस आहे, 12-13 वर्ष हायपरटेन्शन आहे. याच्यासाठी ॲलोपॅथीची औषधं चालू आहेत. ऋतुमानानुसार जेवणात बदल म्हणजे आता उन्हाळा सुरू आहे तर सध्या मी 2-3 वेळा नाचण्याची आंबील घेतो. थंडीचे दिवस असेल तर भाज्यांची सूप घेतो. बाकीचा जेवणात फारसा बदल नाही. घरातल्या घरात फिरण्याचा व्यायाम अशी दिनचर्या आहे.
So we realized and learned that diabetes is a yappy disease. That is, it is not really curable and is present as long as the person is alive. But with the help of correct treatment and Patya Ahar Vihar, we can get it under control. So it is necessary for the person with diabetes to have a healthy diet and timely medications to have a better life. Involvement of regular exercise is also an essential factor here.